friends, today we are doing another painting tutorial. Today we will be doing a fall inspired tutorial. If you are interested in painting this painting with me, please stick around. Friends, thanks for painting with me today. I appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me. So please take the time to hit that like button. It lets me know that you enjoy the content that I put out and I can keep, creating more and do more tutorials and do more art lessons. So I would really appreciate it. I would really love if you could subscribe to my channel so then we can hang out all the time and paint together. And if you enjoy, these art videos, or even if you don't, a lot of the time my message is pretty positive. So if that is you, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. Also, if you follow me on Instagram at Lovepraypaint and also Twitter at Lovepraypaint, I will have a link under this video for that. I would really appreciate that. Then you can, find out right away when my videos are coming out. So, and then also I post pictures of the paintings I do on there before I make the video or before I put the video out. So, in case you want to know what video is coming up, you can just go ahead and take a look at that and you'll know with whatever painting I have on there. Most likely there will be a tutorial in the next couple days, or at least one day after that. Enough chit-chatting. I just want to say I appreciate all of you, every single one of you, from the bottom of my heart.
Okay, so now we can get into our painting tutorial.
To begin, we will be using permanent black and crimson red, using yellow ochre, burnt umber, titanium white, and those will be the only colors, unless I decide to throw something else in there, that we are going to be using today. This is a super simple tutorial. You should be able to get it done in no time at all. How we're going to begin this today, I'm just going to use an 8x10 here. So this is our final painting. I didn't end up putting the maple leaves on there. I think it'd be really cute if you put like either little pumpkins or little maple leaves or something fallish there. It's okay. Or put something fallish on the side of this right here. I think that would be super adorable. I think you should do it if you have the time. So thank you for painting with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked hanging out with me. And please like and comment. Let me know if you have any ideas for painting tutorials. And yeah, just follow me on my social medias, Lovepraypaint, Instagram and Twitter. And you can follow me on Facebook at Maria Bursat. I'm super open, so I don't care if you see, you know, all of my crazy pictures and post a bunch of animal things and positive quotes anyway on that, on my Facebook. So anyway, yep. That's our final painting, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know you want to. You know you want to. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time. No, I hate when people do that. Why did I do that? Bye. Happy fall.
Please hit that like button. It lets me know that you appreciate these videos and you enjoy watching them. So I will continue to, oh my god.